welcome back to La Petite Kitchen. Susie here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Greek salad. Now you know we live in Florida and it's hot here, so my husband and I are going to have just a light dinner of salad. I will post the recipe to make the salad for a family, but for today's purposes I'm only making enough for myself and my husband. We're going to start with the dressing. You're going to need a jar with a tight fitting cover. Your Mediterranean spices. I use this one here, Greek Speak by Spiceology. Put about a tablespoon in your jar to start with. And then you're going to use 1/8 cup of red wine vinegar. There you go. A 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, good quality olive oil. You need a tablespoon of honey. Greeks love honey, so we buy it from Costco by the giant economy size jug. There you go, 1 tablespoon. Let's scrape this in there. Okay. You need a teaspoon, or let's do the lemon juice next. You need a tablespoon of lemon juice. And then just a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And I don't even put a whole teaspoon in, okay? Let me see if I can get that off of there. There we go. There we go. And put the cover on that, like that. Shake it up good. Okay, that's your salad dressing. Now we're going to let that sit so all those flavors meld together with all those spices in there. Okay, so we're going to prepare our salad now. You're going to have, for a crowd or for a family, 6 to 8 cups of romaine salad sliced up, or romaine lettuce, I mean. So we're going to peel off, we've rinsed this off, and we're going to peel off some slices of romaine here. Cut the ends off. So, and I cheat a lot. So, like I said, this is going to be just enough for my husband and I for supper this evening. There we go. I think maybe 1 or 2 more leaves here. When slicing lettuce, they frequently tell you not to use a metal knife because you turn your lettuce brown. But you know what? We're going to eat this evening for our dinner, so it's not going to get a chance to brown up. So there we go. There's our sliced lettuce. The next thing you're going to do is add a cucumber, and I've cut off a piece for us. Now, my husband doesn't like the seeds in the cucumbers, so we scooped them out with a spoon, like that. If you have a problem with cucumbers giving you gas, It's frequently the seeds. So feel free to slice those out. Just scoop them out with a spoon. There. Add that in. Like so. Oops. There we go. Now, so for some color, I've got some halved cherry tomatoes here, or grape tomatoes. I'm going to add those in. There we go. And some finely sliced red onion. Okay. And some Kalamata onions. Onions, silly. Olives. Very Greek, very Middle East. There we go. And then the pièce de résistance, we need some crumbled feta. There we go. And your salad dressing. And there you have an amazing Greek salad. I hope you enjoy. Remember to subscribe and to check out our links for our little kitchen gadgets and also the Greek Freak spice that we like to use here.